So we are going to see that how can we transfer data from one phone to another phone. This is my new mobile, this is the old one, so this is the Motorola and this is Samsung. So I want to transfer my data from this mobile to this one. How can we do that? So you need data like a cable which will connect this to this, and I need this USB connector. So I will connect this USB connector to my device. And then I will connect this cable with this Motorola and this USB to this one. Okay, so it's connected now. So what for this mobile, the new one, I will go to settings. In the new one I will go to, yeah, so for here I will go to clouds and like the cloud and account, go to smart switch, and then you can see here you have like this send data or receive data. So click on receive data. I have connected to the cable, so old and new. So now as I don't have the smart switch, I will download that to my old mobile. So as you can see, I'm just downloading the smart switch to my old phone, and let's wait for that. So now it has been downloaded, so let's open that. So be sure you have a smart switch in both the phones so that you can transfer the data easily. Now let's open that smart switch in my old phone and just see the notes, and click on this allow to allow all this information in your old phone. Now I have clicked on this allow to allow the to get the transfer data, and as you can see, as soon as I just click on allow, it start to transfer the data. It is like connecting both phones using this cable. And as you can see, in my new phone it is giving me option of that what things I need to bring it out. So as you can see, I can select all these things and then click on this arrow in the bottom one to transfer. So just click on that to transfer all these files from your old phone to the new phone. So be sure to read all the notes or all the warnings you can get, and then let's say I just click on the transfer, and it is now asking me that what amount of data from the past I wanted. So based on that you can select it. Okay, so now it has been disconnected. If that happens, you can just again reopen the smart switch and try to connect that. So again I'm trying to open smart switch in both the phones, and as you can see, just follow this step, and over here you will get this option USB preference. Click on this file transfer, and as soon as you click on this file transfer, the data is start to transfer from your old phone to the new phone. Again it is searching for the new phone, like both phones are trying to communicate, and I will get the window like that, the option of transferring again. And again it's asking me that that the files are which I want is how much old I want. So I can just click on the end time, like I just want all the files. After clicking that, you can see that it is copying the stuff from the old phone to the new phone. It will take time, so what I will do, I will just click on this keep screen on, so that the screen will not get it will not get switched off, and it's fine. So thank you for watching the video.